Say hi. Are you girls excited that we're making some mac and cheese today?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the mac and cheese we're making today is with cauliflower. You can make it with noodles. And we would be making it with noodles today, but our order from Amazon has not come in. So we're going to use it with cauliflower. We are adaptable, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, we like it both ways, don't you?
No.
Yes, you do.
No.
But in the comments, in the post later on tonight that I'll do with this recipe with it, I'll also put pictures of the noodles you can get off of Amazon that are low carb and completely keto friendly. So you can get good tasting noodles if you like the texture of noodles for your mac and cheese. Okay, so we're making a cauliflower mac and cheese casserole. All right. Yeah. So what we did is we got the cauliflower all cut up and steamed. Now I'm going to show you the size of the cauliflower. Okay. These are extremely small. Okay. They are very, very small little trees of cauliflower. And why is that? Because you girls won't eat the big ones, but you'll eat the small ones. So that's how I've gotten them to eat cauliflower.
And people eat cauliflower.
Peanut butter and cauliflower. But that's just how we've done it. Okay. So we are going to start getting mixed. This is probably one of the easier recipes that you will actually ever make, okay? We'll get this going, and then we'll tell you what's going to happen next week, because we still have exciting stuff happening here next week. We do. Okay? So Mommy's going to add the heavy cream, and then you girls can add the cheese. This cheese goes on at the very end, but you can help with that, promise, okay? Okay. We're going to need Daddy's muscles.
You don't have muscles.
I do have muscles.
And your muscles are gone.
My muscles are all gone. Huh. Well, there's ways I can show you my muscles, honey. So we're going to do half a cup of heavy whipping cream in here, okay? Woo! And then we have 3 different cheeses. We have mozzarella, we have cheddar, and we have marble. Now, you can pick any 3 cheeses that you like to put in this. This is like a build your own kind of casserole. But we have picked those 3 cheeses because those are the girls' favorite. You want to put the marble cheese in? So it's half a cup of each cheese. So we're going to put that in. You want to put that one in? You can, of course, put that one in, honey. Boom, 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 boom. Cheddar cheese. Okay. And then your sister will do the mozzarella cheese.
Hey, I do it.
Yes, you are going to do it. I just want to make sure you don't drop the ball. All the way. Going to do a little tap. Tap, 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 tap. Make sure it's all out. Good job. Good job. So that's the cheeses in the casserole bowl here. Okay. And I'm just going to do just a small, quick little mix here. Nothing too drastic. Okay. All right. And then we're going to add the hot dogs to it. So we have half a pack of hot dogs here. And we're going to put the hot dogs in. Where'd you go? We lost one. One's down. One's down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me lose the hot dogs. Is that why you got down, so you can catch all the hot dogs falling onto the floor? Uh-huh. Now, what I like to do is just put it in the bowl with a lid, and we just shake it. See, Bobby's got muscles. And some phlegm going there, but she's got muscles. Okay, and then that's mixed. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the pan. But we're not done yet. We're not done, right? After we put it in the pan. Go, no, no, no. Ha, ha, ha. Look how good that looks, huh? So this is what it looks like all mixed together. It does not just look like goodness. Looks like goodness. Look at that. Yeah, it's a hot dog, cauliflower, it's a cheese. Cheese. Are Okay, and then we're literally just gonna pour it into the pan here.
Whoa.
Ready?
You can't touch
Oh,
that.
you can't touch it. Is it too slimy for you? Is it too slimy? Mommy will get it.
Then go back to your stool.
No, you're being camera shy, but you still want to see. You girls are crazy. Okay, so we're scraping the rest of it out of the bowl here, so we don't leave any of this goodness behind, right, girls? Okay. And then we're gonna spread this out in the pan. We're still not done. We're not done. Hold tight, guys. Hold tight.
How about that?
Then we're gonna at the top of the bowl off. Okay. Because we gotta make sure we get all the goodness in. Well, then get it.
No.
No! No, Mommy, I hate the slimy.
Don't get it.
I don't want to get it. Okay. Mommy probably shouldn't use the bowl with all the grooves in it, eh? It's okay. We're done. We're done. Okay? And we're spreading it all out. Okay. Now we're going to add the toppings. Now the toppings is all the cheese here. All this cheese is all the mixtures of the cheese. So we got mozzarella, we got marble, and we got cheddar in here. Honey, it's fine. Can we just leave it there, honey? Yes, please. Now, before we top it over with the cheese, because the cheese is going to give us the crispy flavor, we are going to put some spices on here, okay? So you're gonna be able to put some of the salt on, okay? So we have Italian spice here, and we're just gonna like put some just like this. Did you get covered in some? We got some parsley flakes here. Woo! Is that good? Does that look good or does that look good? Before we put the cheese on, we'll definitely show you what it looks like. Because it looks like deliciousness, doesn't it? This is the garlic. Don't worry. It's almost your turn. Almost your turn. Okay? And then, of course, pink Himalayan salt for the electrolytes. You flip it upside down. Look at her go! Isn't she amazing? She's like a good helper. And you are too. You are too. She's up on her daddy's shoulders just behind the camera. Aren't ya?
Yeah.
Yeah. Still a family affair. Yeah? Here. Oh, not too fast. So we're going to kind of just like move the camera instead of the casserole dish because that's easier. And that's what it looks like. All the spices on top looks very yummy. And then we're going to put the cheese mixture on top. Like, this is like severe cheesy macaroni and cheese, eh? But, you know, this is all good. This is all keto friendly. And because it's actually quite heavy because of the cheese, small servings, so this could actually last us like a week. A whole week, can't it? So this is going to be like our breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the weekend, isn't it? It will be. So then here we have it, all done in the pan, ready to be put into the oven, okay? Now for the oven, what we're going to do is you're going to preheat the oven for 350 and stick it in for 20 minutes. Just kind of check on it, and if the top is kind of like browning, then you take it out. If not, put it in for another 5 minutes, okay? For our oven, it takes about 25 minutes, but always do the 20-minute check because you don't want to overcook it. I have like huge food anxiety when I overcook stuff, so I'm always like checking it 5 minutes early. So if you're the same like me, 20 minutes, then check on it. If it's melted but not too crispy yet, 5 more minutes, and you're good. You're good. You just want a nice golden brown on the top, and then of course, at the end we will be taking pictures, putting it in a post, and so you can see what it looks like out of the oven. Okay. So what is happening this week? So Nicole asked me for a pizza roll up recipe. We're gonna be doing that next week. Because she asked in that post where I asked what you want to cook. What's your favorite food? It doesn't have to be keto or anything. She's like, I like pizza roll ups. So I'm like, I can do that keto. So we or low carb, okay? So I can switch almost any recipe like that. So if you have a favorite meal but you just don't know how to switch it up or kind of like integrate it into your family, just put it in that post, okay? I'll put the link to that post at the end of this video in the comments. So you guys can just click on it, go to that post, put what you would like on there for us to cook. We love suggestions. Because then we also try stuff new. I have a cookies and cream fat bomb recipe that I want to try out, and I'm going to try it out with you guys. So we'll do it all together, and then we will taste it, and we'll tell you how it tastes like. We will, won't we? We'll tell you if we like it or not. So then you guys have the recipe, and you guys can make it yourself too. I'm also going to be doing a pop-up workout next week. I'm thinking Tuesday, but as my Tuesday comes about, I have 2 Zoom calls, someone coming over to the house, and it's getting a little booked. So we're going to try a pop-up workout on Tuesday. And then on my profile starting tomorrow is a 5-day series on just little tips and tricks that I have learned having an autistic child that you guys can use if you have a child with mental disabilities or a child at all, really. So you can check it in on my personal profile for that. And that's just kind of like some of the stuff that's happening. And the boot camp is officially open. So it's officially open and it closes next Friday. And next Friday we'll be doing a nice long girls' night Zoom. For about an hour. We'll have it just grab a drink. I don't drink, but grab some water. Come join us and hang out. To close out the boot camp with us because we're excited. It's our very first big launch and it's going so well and we're so excited. And we're just excited for a new chapter, aren't we? Yeah, and we want to celebrate with you guys because you guys are the fan base. You guys are what's made everything happen. So we want to celebrate with you. But we're going to go and we'll show you the end result later on tonight. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed this event and you got some ideas on how you can integrate your children with your lifestyle. I hope so. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye.